Asibingelele-ke sikwamukeleke kule channel isiqiniseko sokuthi ke uciniseleke laphana ke subscribe button uzoyithola ishisa-ke iy'ndaba zomkhonto wesizwe. Umlazi kwa-Are bahleleke kuzomalanga-ke laphana-ke u-VD coordinators kakhona bebambisene-ke nayo-ke laphana-ke i-Creative Council yawo laphana-ke umkhonto wesizwe bahleleke i-Fun Day Picnic and Tournament ezobe ingomhla ka-7 April 2024 kwa-Are Park eMlazi. Izoqala-ke ngo-9 iziyophela-ke late. Le ke Fun Day Picnic-ke ibophele ey'ngqulu ey'nkulu kakhulu kanti futhi izobe ihanjelwe nayizikhulu ey'nkulu kakhulu laphana-ke kumkhonto wesizwe singabala kuzona-ke indodakazi yaloyo-ke owayengumongameli uComrade Duduzile Zuma, sibale-ke National Head of Student laphana-ke uyena-ke insizwa laphana-ke umsezane, siphinde-ke sibale uZulu Boy uyena-ke oyi-founder ye-MKCC, siphinde-ke sibale uFly Motion, sibale o-DJ Hlolo wengoma yaduma kakhulu ethi Isibani, sibale abantu abaningi bafowethu singababala nenkomkotole uzobe khona, insizwa-ke edlala kuzalo edlala indawo ka-Amos Maala izobe khona, uLilith Khumalo owayedlala indawo kaSarafina naye uzobe khona lapha eMlazi. Baningi bafethu, the list is endless. Sicela nje ukushiya nama-videos wabo abaqinisekisile ukuthi bazobe khona bafethu. Into ongayenza wena ukuthi-ke uphumelele laphana-ke kwi-Fun Day Picnic bafethu, uphinde futhi umuntu othanda ibhola likanobhutshuzwayo ufike uzibukele ibhola likanobhutshuzwayo, uzobe kumnandi kakhulu bafethu. Siyacela nje niphume ngobuningi benu. Nawe-ke uma ufisa ukuthi yakhe iprogram-ke oyenze wadini national asikhethi thina, soyithatha siyifake khona la kule channel yethu uma nje wena wenza isiqiniseko sokuthi-ke uyasithumelela iprogram yakho. Siyabonga kakhulu amaqembu omkhonto wesizwe, siyabonga kakhulu.
Jikijela mkhonto jikijela. Sanibonani. Phansi khona ngiyi-7 zaka-April siyatholakala e-R Park uMlazi. Sambi sodwa-ke sobe siphethe umkhonto wesizwe. Wonke ama-artist azabakhona ne-MK Creative Council. Asibonga sihlanganeni khona-ke ngiyi-7 zaka-April R Park uMlazi. Yes, DJ Shabir uzobazimosha, DJ Shabir uzobabulala ngenamba. Sibonge, salute.
Yes, Amos Maada lo uvuma vuthele mshayima ngakumphula double manethi uvula kuvalile. Amos Maada is the devil himself. Ngithi ngeyi-7 ngiyathatha sithakane ngiyalapha eMlazi kodwa ngihambi ngedwa, ngihamba umkhonto wesizwe. Bafethu ngithi wozani kuzobe kuyi-picnic lapho. Ngizongiphethe abo DJ Shabir, ngiphethe lapha abo Zulu Boy. Kuzobe kuphithizela wozani nonke ngobuningi izoba butepu ngoba ungazanga zokushanga ekhikile zithi ila qadelela wena. Yes, I'm out.
Amandla. Yes bafethu, Fly Motion ngomhla ka-7 ngiyanimema bafethu wonke umphakathi sizobe silaphana eMlazi mhla ka-7 April e-R Park eMlazi. Ngizobe ngahambi ngedwa, ngizobe ngihamba ne-MK Creative Council siphelezelwa ama-artist anjengo Madanoni, DJ Menesi, Costa Dollar, mfethu Captain Masia. Sibaningi kakhulu bafethu ngomhla ka-7 eMlazi. Asihlanganeni khona ama-MK amahle, asihlanganeni khona ama-AK amahle. Jikijela mkhonto jikijela.
Ngomhla ka-7 eMlazi jikijela mkhonto jikijela, sizobe sinama MK amahle kwi-picnic ne-soccer tournament nganza kwethu. Ngicela niphelele ngobuningi benu.
Uyalwazi udaba mfana, mhla ka-7 sobe sikhona eMlazi nakanjani niphelele with Creative Council. Ngizobe ngikhona nami.
Kunjalo nje nazi ney'nduna khona jikijela khonto jikijela.
Hola guys, what's up? It's your boy DJ Meneses. Right, just let you know it's going down the 7th of April. Yes, right, R Park in Mlazi. It's the MK tournament and picnic day for the whole family. Yes, right. Bring your family, bring your friends, bring everyone. We're going to have the likes of MC Fly Motion. We're going to have Zulu Boy, and also the MK Creative Council is going to be there as well. And also DJ Menace is going to be live on the decks here. That's right. It's your boy DJ Menace. Join us at Arpak Mlazi on the 7th of April. Washa.
Hola matano panaka sifiti sikhosi nemali responsibility silalela naye indaba la mfethu mhla ka 7 April asihlakane ka Ari grounding bafethu silalela I fun day bafethu and angihambi ngedwa ke ngihamba ne MK Creative Council bafethu, so make sure you tell your friends so we can all be friends. Mhla ka 7 ka Ari bafethu, make sure ukuthi niyafika ngomningi beni khona kuzoba mnandi usuku lonke khona nebhola i-tournament izobe zisha nje kumnandi, siphethe ama camp chairs shisa nenyama, siphethe nezibandayo ukuze kube mnandi tako.
Hello good people, it's your girl DJ Show. Ngomhla 7 April ngicela sihlangane eMlazi ka-R ePaki. It's the MK Family Fun Day Picnic bafethu, so please pull through ngomningi benu. It's gonna be a jump. All MKCC artists will be present. I'll be present, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day guys, so please pull through. 7 April, mina ngizonibona khona. Mwah.